So pretty much since day one of moving into this truck, I have had a big hole in it. Because when I moved my stuff in, I was in a rush and I wasn't paying attention and I scuffed the corner cap of the roof. So here's the original damage. It looks way worse than it actually is. Because this plastic is pretty lightweight, it got destroyed pretty easily. And my temporary repair patch was literally Flex Seal tape. It didn't work great in the Houston storms, but it did just enough of the job for it to stave off any major leakage. But in today's video, I'm finally going to get it repaired. I'm currently at a local truck body repair shop to get this thing, the corner cap, put on and sealed and stuff. I was thinking that it was going to be like hundreds of dollars, like hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So I was pretty worried, and that's been putting off for a little while as well. But I just found the guy, he said he'd do it for 150 and he can do it right now. So I am over the goddamn moon about that. He's not here, he's still at home. So it seems like he's communicated everything that they need to do and they're gonna do it right now. So I am very happy because I was genuinely convinced this is gonna be hundreds of dollars. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So it has been a few hours that I have been with those guys. I'm just leaving now. The owner was talking my head off, to be honest with you. He was super intrigued with what I was doing and had a million ideas and was like, you should do this, you should do this. Yeah, it was pretty tiring socially a little bit because it was so long, but they did a really good job. I'm glad that I bought the piece that I did, the corner cap, because he was like, we don't have these, and I wouldn't even know where to get it from, especially the plastic one. So did that. They fit the light, which I honestly wasn't expecting them to do. They also patched up some of the scratches on the side of the truck as well. He was like, look, you've had some scrapes from a tree or something on the side. We'll patch that up for you. So he patched that up. And then the middle seat, the jumper seat that I removed, it still had the brackets in there. And I was like, look, is there any way that you can just do this for me? It's like just removing the bolts and replacing them, removing them, pulling it out and replacing it. And he was like, yeah, we can do that. So he did that as well. So got a lot of work done. I'm pretty damn happy with the job that they've done, and it was cheaper, way cheaper than I thought it was going to be as well. So overall, just pretty satisfied. I am quite tired now though, because literally it's been just like one continuous conversation for 3 hours. So super happy, super happy. Now I'm just trying to figure out how to get home because this is just not giving me a green arrow. So let me figure this out first. Sorry, the light went on multiple times around and did not give me the green arrow. So yeah, now feel like it's a bit more stormproof than it was because we've got hurricane season coming up and it's gonna be crazy. Good day's work today. Well done me. Now I've got some more real actual work that I have to do, especially seeing that some of my time was taken up by him. So job well done today. I don't think there's any more van projects today, but yeah, for now, clocking out. So I clocked out for a minute and then I noticed that when I got inside the truck, I noticed that the utility light that had been refit by the guys was glowing. I could see an orange glow coming through the small gap underneath the interior corner piece. So I was very confused because it shouldn't be lit, right? When the engine is off, when the key is out, that light should not be lit. And I start to worry thinking about my truck battery just draining because of this one light that's constantly on. They have connected the utility light back up, but it's connected, I think, to the constant power, not the actual utility switch. So that means this light is on permanently. So obviously I can't have it on 24/7 because my battery is going to die, my truck engine battery. So I'm going to snip it for now, put some electrical tape on it, and I'm going to figure out the wiring and what's happened later on because I don't have time now. But yeah, god damn it. So then what I did is I climbed up, I snipped the power cable to it so that I could just stop the electricity running through it and carry on with the rest of my day because I had other stuff to do. But then when the light didn't go out, I obviously had some questions because I knew that I had just cut the power cable to this utility light, but there was still light coming through it. So I was confused for about 30 seconds, and then I think I kind of realized what had happened. So I think that, let me get myself in the light. So I think what's happened is I thought the light was lit up and it was orange. I think that the reason why it's lit up in orange is not because there's electricity going into it. It's because outside is an orange shipping container that is reflecting a lot of light onto this LED, and it's just filtering through. Because the reason why I'm thinking this is because I've just snipped both cables to this light, and it's still lit. So yeah, it doesn't have any power going to it right now, which means that I've just disconnected a light that was working. Okay. God damn it. So I didn't do it that day, but the next day I eventually had to climb up, reattach the light, and tuck it back in. Luckily, I didn't cause any further damage. The interior corner cap is not connected to the exterior corner cap, so it was still waterproof. It still blocks out the water, etc. So it was a fairly simple connect back up. But yeah, I mean, if you followed this build for a while, I hope that you're like cracking up as much as I am at how ridiculous my impulsive sort of like, oh, I need to fix this as soon as possible kind of mistake was. But yeah, eventually I got it fixed and it now works as normal. And I should have just trusted that those guys literally specialize in bodywork for box trucks. When he was putting the corner cap on, we specifically tested out the lights. I'm only just remembering this as I'm editing the video. We specifically tested out the lights to make sure that they were connected properly. We turned them on and off, and we watched them from the outside turn on and off. So the fact that I came back and just forgot all of that is pretty ridiculous. But the corner cap on the box truck is fixed. The light is fixed, despite me breaking it in the first place. And it is all good for now. So at the end of that chapter, I am clocking out.